Time to open the metaphorical door once more on Procserve, this time nosing at their devilishly clever e-payments process. This is Tim. Snazzy tie Tim. Tim is a finance director, hence the top-of-the-range calculator. Tim and his team used to spend donkey's years managing the company's purchasing, with payments being made by cheque, numerous corporate cards and electronic transfer, all of which look pretty darn dangerous, I might add. This predominantly paper-based process often meant entering supplier data into 3 different systems. Talk about tedious. And at the end of each month, Tim would receive a series of generic statements that were nigh on impossible to reconcile. Fortunately for Tim, and buyers up and down the country, Procserve's e-payment system offers a solution that saves time and money, whilst offering flexibility and total security. By golly, it's got me excited. So, say you're a buyer. You want to buy something, as buyers often do. Using e-payments, you find the item you want to purchase through Procserve's e-marketplace, and instead of selecting the invoice option, you choose the e-payments one. No long-winded registration forms here. The supplier receives their purchase order in minutes and processes the order securely using a one-off virtual purchasing card number, which is totally unique to that purchase order. And the goods are distributed post-haste, which means quickly. When payment is taken by the supplier, the line item and VAT details are sent to Tim's bank, so there's no need for the supplier to issue an invoice or indeed for Tim to process one. Astonishing. Tim and the team save buckets of time. Wrong sort of time, chaps. But that's not all. At the end of each month, Tim gets a nifty statement from his bank breaking down every single transaction line by line, making it easy to reconcile his accounts and offering total transparency. Not to mention reducing the risk of unauthorised purchases or incorrect payments. Ooh, golly. Oh, I've got to get one of those. Sorry. Finally, Tim can get 100% of his VAT back, as his monthly statement shows him exactly how much VAT's been paid. And it's totally HMRC compliant, being approved by none other than Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs. God bless you, Mum. All this means there's more time for strategic activities, like planning the boss's surprise birthday party. Oh gosh, I'm sorry, Tim. Sorry, everyone. You know, Tim doesn't even like surprises. I don't know what the fuss is about. E-payments from Procserve, where the world does business securely.